Hello everyone. Before we begin, can you please close your eyes for a moment? Imagine a world where your mind feels light, quiet, and peaceful. Sounds nice, right? I am Agraja Shelkhe, and today I will talk about how we can bring that peaceful world into our busy modern lives. Let us think about something that we all hear, but we rarely notice. It's not the honking on the roads, it's not the loudspeakers during festivals, and it's not even the construction outside our homes. It is a different kind of noise, a noise that we all carry inside us, the noise of the modern world. Today, I will talk about minimizing the noise of the modern world. What is this noise? This noise is the endless notifications on your phone, the pressure of deadlines, the rush to finish everything, the constant comparison on social media, the feeling that life is running faster than we can keep up. It is the noise of do more, achieve more, look perfect, be perfect. And this noise doesn't let us hear the most important voice of our own. Let me make you understand a small scenario. One evening, I saw my parents sitting together, but they were not talking. My father was checking emails, my mother was scrolling through messages, and I was finishing my homework on my tab. Three people in one room with three different worlds. I suddenly realized we were together but not connected. That silence in the room had more noise than the traffic outside. How the modern world steals our peace. Today, adults wake up with a phone and sleep with a phone. You open WhatsApp and 50 messages shout your name. You open Instagram and 1,000 people tell you how to live. You open the news and the world tells you to worry. This noise is not just sound. It is stress, competition, and distraction. And slowly, without noticing, we lose our patience, our focus, our joy, and sometimes even our relationships. What can we do? Even though I am just in class 5, I want to share 3 simple ways to minimize this noise. Number 1. Create a no noise hour. Just 1 hour a day where no phones, no TVs, no laptops, no notifications exist. You can read, walk, talk, pray, or just breathe. Imagine 1 hour of peace every day. Your mind will surely thank you. Number 2. Listen more, react less. When we pause before replying, when we understand before judging, when we think before shouting, the world becomes quieter. Not outside, but inside. Number 3. Connect with real people, not just virtual ones. Sit with your family without screens. Talk to your children without distractions. Look into someone's eyes while speaking. Because human connection is the strongest volume button. It can lower all the noise around us. A question for every adult here. When was the last time you listened to the sound of your own heartbeat? Or the laugh of your child without recording it? Or the silence of the morning without checking your phone first? Well, if you can't remember, then the noise is already won. A gentle reminder. Our minds are like rooms. If the room is filled with noise, there is no space for peace. If it is filled with hurry, there is no space for happiness. If it is filled with comparison, there is no space for self-love. So today, let us all make space for silence, for calmness, for the people we love, and for ourselves. The modern world will always be loud, but the real power is in our hands. We can choose what to hear. We can choose what to ignore. We can choose when to pause. And sometimes the most powerful thing we can do is simply be quiet and listen. Thank you.